Okay, that's it. We are so happy for being with Yahoshuah. That means that we are going to worship Yahoshuah. That is a happiness for people who were washed away from their sins, and it's a happiness for those who will go to the heaven of heavens. But it's a suffer for those who will go to hell, and also it frustrates them. But people who wish and to look for going to the heaven of heavens, they cannot wait to the moment to worship and being gathered with a meeting, holy meeting, and being with Yahoshuah. That's it. It's so happy to be with Yahoshuah, and in those people are so happy for those who are allowed to be with Yahoshuah. You were allowed if you were here, except those who were not marked out to go there, but they are just coming here. But that exists. But those who, once you come to the kingdom of Yahoshuah, you go there. But don't wish for the place not to go there. Okay, so wish for the place to go to heaven of heavens. That's why I told you, those people who will go to the heaven of heavens, they cannot wait to meet their friends, to worship Yahoshuah, and they cannot wait to meet the ambassador of Yahoshuah, Ziadia Elia. They cannot wait them, and they cannot wait the moment that they open their mouth to celebrate the God, and also to prostrate Yahoshuah. And it's about him and Yahoshuah, because they're like at home there are lots of people, but when will I be free to the church of Yahoshuah? That is the happiness for people with Yahoshuah. It's a real happiness for them. That means it makes happy, it makes joyful, and make you in peace. For people in Yahoshuah, it makes joyful for people in Yahoshuah, for people going to the heaven of heavens to be with Yahoshuah, going and joining to the congregation, because that is the race that you were making, you were doing. The ambassador of Yahoshuah said, do your race. That means that you must work hard, you must fight so hard. You were fighting so to get your Yahoshua's heart back to you, to be with you. That is racing, running. So all means being with Yahoshuah, they cannot wait to accomplish that. You cannot wait, when can I be with Yahoshuah again? That is running. If you don't know that, that is paying back. You have to come back to the love of Yahoshuah, because you already know him, but it's you who denied him. So if there's someone who should make effort, it should be you, but it's not him who is going to make an effort. You should make effort instead, because the end of the story, making the end of the story is upon us. That's it. That is all about the teaching, the recent teaching. And there is no more teaching unless I get to Antananarivo. We are still staying here. It's been 1 month. These are all had reason when it happens, but what I mean to you is you have to follow the teaching. It's a happiness for you to follow the teaching. And this is your real life. It's in the teaching that you were taught. There is no sinners who know God. It is taught to you in the number 30, for those who have heard that. I don't know, you in Majinga, if you have reached which teaching numbers? 30? Okay. That means in the teaching that it says, the teaching said that sinners, how sinners can give the true name of God. However, you know that God doesn't listen to sinners. So who sent this man if God doesn't listen to him? God doesn't listen to him, so whatever he worship are devils. And if someone say that they are sent, it's devil who sent them, because sinners cannot give the true name. That doesn't make sense. You know then that it's only and unique that is the truth on this earth. And the only one and the unique true is Yahoshuah, preached by his ambassador Ziadia. You can call me Elia Ziadia or Ziadia Elia. Ziadia, for me it's better for me. And so learn that if you know. At the time you said Ziadia is not complete if you have remembered that. Yes, that is now, it's complete now. There is no more, but that is the name, Ziadia Elia, which is Ziadia. If you want to separate the name, it's okay. If you don't separate it, okay, it's okay. If you want to combine it, it's Ziadia. If you want to separate Ziadia Elia or Elia Ziadia, they are all one. It pointed me. Is that clear? So, to end the word, and you may say, is it ending already? Yes, but tomorrow it will be a little bit longer. But to end the word is this: for you humans, especially children of God, that I'm giving a message, and this word, you have to keep the goodness that you have received, the God that sinners have preached, and all church leaders are sinners, and even they're fighting to be sinners, and there is no sinners that God listened to them, and this God are destroying sinners, as he said. If we have taken a look at the passage that we have looked last time, that God destroys sinners. So where is God getting along with someone that he's going to destroy, and he's going to give the words to see someone that he's going to someone who's going to be destroyed? If he's going to destroy, that means that you're enemies. But everything's you were thrown to hell by a slight reason. It's sinners that they rise and you are deceived, but that doesn't exist, that sinners will give a true name. But if the ambassador of Yahushua Ziadia is sinner, even you were not free from sin, but you were free from sin, that means that your leader is the one who don't sin anymore. And when he doesn't sin anymore, the name that he brought is true. Yeah, his name is Yahoshuah. You have to emphasize Yahoshuah, preached by the ambassador of Yahushua Ziadia. Yes, the name Ziadia is pretty. Yes, that name. No one has got that name. If there's someone who got that name, okay, give it. Okay, show it. Even the name, his name is pretty and handsome. His feet are handsome. Yeah, people who are jealous are jealous now. Yes, that's it. If his feet are pretty, his name is pretty. Why? Who say that name is not handsome? For taken. It's a politic. It's a politic of eating food. This pastor is smart. Where is Parrot? No, the hospital are doing surgery. Maybe they say that it's too. If you are surprised, what are we talking about? It's about someone who's given birth. Yes, I am so smart. When there is someone who is going to hospital, and what I have is what I have in mind is they are going to make surgery because doctors are so lazy to wait for you, so they are going to they are doing surgery. Okay, that is about it. How can sinners be used by God, bringing His word and His name? That doesn't exist. But to know that it's true, it's in the place where those who follow Him don't sin anymore, and these people are washed away from their sins, and they hate sins. You are witness of that truth, or you still like sin. You hate sin now. You hate sin. I have said to you that the ambassador of Yahoshuah, Ziadelia, never said this and that. No, there is no such thing anymore. You have to make yourself to enter. My duty is to allow you to run, and if you want to run, but reason is I have taught you that when the end day is coming, everyone will allow to enter and will be forced to enter, and that is what I'm doing, whether they are good or bad. So those who are still able to run. So if you don't want to run, don't run. But you're gonna be eliminated on the way. You're gonna be eliminated on the way. And people say, the kingdom of Yahoshuah becomes free and without any rules. Yeah, it's better if it gets tight. Because if there is no law, you're gonna feel that you will not go there. But those who fight hard to run, and they know that they are going to go there, they are fighting so hard. That is it. And that's why everyone is allowed to enter. And to end my words is, you are so grateful that you have seen the true names Yahoshuah preached by Ziadelia. You are so grateful and happy. And you have to hold that tight. You have to hold that goodness tightly. Don't lose it anymore. Make your run. And do know how to pay back the love of Yahoshuah. It's now your turn, but I'm not involved anymore. I don't get involved anymore. It is shown to you, everything is shown to you, and it's your turn to pay back. Why the baptism is locked? So that you can pay back, and it's only you who can run, because it's you who get entered. So you are running now. Don't slow down or turn around, but you have to run till the end and you get to the heaven of heavens, not to be lost in the parish. You're so grateful. If you were taking a look at Majanga's situation, there are lots of people who are strolling around, but it's only you who are here who don't sin anymore. But apart from you were sinners, and they're killing each other. They're cursing. They're cursing with one another, but that is the work of false god. But only the ones who come to Yahoshuah are washed away from their sins. But now Yahoshuah is made as a fashion now. It's even abroad, but it is emphasized and signatured, signed. I mean, Yahushua preached by Ziadia or Ziadelia. Yeah, you can say Ziadia because Elia has come just 2 weeks ago. That he's going to do a next work. But you who have been called and chosen, I always keep repeating, you have to keep your holiness to get well to the heaven of heaven. So do your run and never accept something which will destroy your way, and never accept someone who is going to destroy your way to go to the heaven of heavens, because the goal is to go to us. Very often children who were where I dwell, they always say, yeah, it's according to what you said. When you are close to the pot, you get dust of the pot, and if it's the light which is close to you, you get light, and that's goodness. If it's about goodness, those people who are close to their goodness get goodness, and you are always got the word. You have to make sure to get there, because this is something that we are going to talk tomorrow, if we can still get back there. Because I was a little bit sad, but it's only you who got that, but not everyone. However, it was for everyone. You see, it's even the Holy Spirit who didn't expect to go here, they must go to here. Even their name are holy, and they cannot sin. But for the love for people to get to the heaven of heavens, Holy Spirit got ordered to dwell and to follow you wherever you go. Their work are so hard. So in that case that I am telling you, you have to think ahead about the love. People don't care about that, but because they don't want to go there. But you who will go there, you have seen what you have experienced and you have lived. You have to keep that. For the others, they're insulting, they're saying bad things, and and they say that they got the Holy Spirit. Who say that when you were talking in an unknown language, you got the Holy Spirit? No, there is no such word. However, you were despising God. But when someone is speaking in an unknown language, the Holy Spirit getting along with them, make them non-sinner, and that is true. But there is no one who got Holy Spirit. However, they are lying, they are saying bad things, and they are impostoring, and they are scamming. There is no Holy Spirit to get along with you, but it's devils who is going along with you. And our way is straightforward. To go to us is straightforward, and it's only one, and you don't sin anymore. And that's why I say to you, you are so grateful that you are here, so you have to keep that forever. Okay, that's it. Yahushua bless you all. You can get back home, but see you tomorrow. Okay, wave your hand and for tomorrow. So workers can work and sellers can sell. Okay, that's it. Yeah, go and work. But if no one works, but you will you are having a day off, okay, go and sleep then. And Yahushua bless you all. Okay, as the ambassador of Yahushua said, that's it for today. And it's so great that we have heard his voice. That is so wonderful. Even if listening to his voice, that is so wonderful. But we are inviting you to join us again tomorrow. Don't forget to visit the website YahoshuahRTV.com, and also to send a message after listening to the teaching and watching the teaching on the website or on YouTube, Yahushua TV. Don't forget to send SMS on the WhatsApp number +261 32 86 663 98. I repeat again, +261 32 86 663 98. So I say goodbye to you. Thank you very much for joining us for today's event, and also tomorrow will be another live event. So we say goodbye. Yahushua bless you all. See you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.